Hello, this is me redoing the coordinate plane review video because I definitely didn't successfully record it the other day during class. So, coordinate plane review, this is going to get glued to the back of your Unit 2 pocket. Because we are graphing and using the coordinate plane, we just want to make sure everyone's on the same page about how coordinate planes work. So, on a coordinate plane, your ordered pair is written x comma y. X tells you how far right or left you are going to go. You go right for a positive x value, you go left for a negative x value. Your y value tells you how far up or down you are going to go. So you go up for a positive y value and down for a negative y value. The origin of your graph is the point 0, 0, so right there in the middle. So if you think original, that is your starting point. That's your original place you go on the graph every single time. Before we graph these ordered pairs, I want to label a couple things. This is my x-axis here. So this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Your x-axis, positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left. Your y-axis, positive numbers to the top, negative numbers to the bottom. And the other thing I want to label is our quadrants. Our top right quadrant is quadrant 1. And then we go counterclockwise from there. So quadrant 2 is top left. Quadrant 3 is bottom right. Bottom left. Quadrant 4 is bottom right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Start in the top right and go counterclockwise. Okay. You didn't need to draw that line. So I hope you didn't. Sorry if you did. Whoops. Okay. Then we can look and see what types of points are in each quadrant. So in quadrant 1, you're going to have both a positive. I was trying to find my laser pointer button. Where is that? This right here. So you have both a positive x and y value. So in quadrant 1, your ordered pairs are positive, comma, positive. In quadrant 2, you have a negative x value, but a positive y value. So you go left and then up. So negative x, positive y. So that would be a negative x, a positive y. In quadrant 3, you have a negative x value, and you also have a negative y value. So that is going to be negative, comma, negative. So any ordered pair that has two negative values. And then in quadrant 4, you go right. So you've got a positive x value. And then you go down. So you've got a negative y value. So that's what I wanted you to add on there. Now we're going to go graph these points. So in class, we did the first 3 together. And then we did the last 5 on our own and checked them. If you want to pause the video after the first 3, to test yourself and then come back and check, you are more than welcome to. So to graph 2, 4, I start at 0, 0. I go right 2, I go up 4. And then I'm going to put a dot there. So right 2, up 4. My x value is 2, so that tells me to go to the right 2. My y value is 4, that tells me to go up 4. This is point A. Point B is 5, negative 1. So I always go back and start at the origin. I go right 5, down 1, and I would be here. So right 5, down 1, that is going to be point B. Point C is negative 6, 0. So we start at 0, 0. Negative 6 is my x value. That tells me to go left 6. And then my y value of 0 tells me to go up 0. So my point is going to be right here on the x-axis at negative 6. So that is point C. Okay, if you want to test yourself, now would be the time to pause the video, graph the rest, and then come back and check. And then I'm just going to keep graphing the rest. And then you can restart the video. Okay, bye. So point D, we are going right 4, up 0. Point E, start at 0, 0. We go over 0, straight up 3. Point F, we start at 0, 0. We go left 2, down 3. Point G is negative 3, 2. So start at 0, 0. We go left 3, up 2 for point G. And the last one, 0, -5, we start at 0, 0. We go over 0, straight down 5. That is point H. Okay, so check. We have 1 in each quadrant and 1 on each axis. It's almost like, or actually 2 on each axis, 1 on the positive side, 1 on the negative side. It's almost like I did that on purpose. Okay, let us know if you have any questions about graphing on the coordinate plane. Make sure that you know that x's come first. You go left to right first, then you go up or down.